G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. We're just doing a quick review on a new product. This is related to soft washing, so anyone that's into soft washing or looking at getting into it, Australia wide, a lot of people would recognise these, which is a J-rod, which goes in the end of the soft washing gun. You can also use them in pressure washing guns. What we have upgraded here, generally they come with a this is your standard sort of shooter that comes on them. Some aluminium, iodized, different products like that. The only downside to these is with the curved end on them, when we're putting them down on the ground or they get dropped, everything, they chip and end up corroding away, and lifespan is just very short. This new product we've got here, which is called the Revolver, ultimately preferred by Dirty Harry also. This is solid stainless steel. It's quite thick with a nice flat end, designed for long life and durability. Just goes straight into the end of your gun. So we actually sort of see some pulse power on the Gold Coast. So even if you're not local, give the guys at Pulse Power a call, and they can just even mail one out to you, because it's easy. You just unscrew the other one straight out, put this in a vise, pull that one out, put the new one in, bit of thread tape. But quality is key. Obviously time is money in our industry. You don't want anything to fail on the job, but give them a call at Pulse Power, ask them for the Dirty Harry Revolver, get it in the end of your J-rod. Happy days.